Welcome back to another video. Got your special one here today. Have the Auxito LED lights, okay? So, nice little box, got a nice little laminate over top of it, and they put a little check mark so you can see which model did you actually buy before you open the box. So, some key features here are going to be fast heat dissipation, going to be some quick start, going to be waterproof, going to be easy to install, going to be some high brightness, okay? So, those are just some of the key features here. So, let's get right into it. Let's open this pack up. Let's see what we got. Let me show you the quality of this bulb here. First of all, from the high heat dissipation, right here. You see that right there? That's a fan, okay? That pulls that heat away from the bulb, and that also keeps the bulb cooler, which is going to give you a longer lifetime for the bulb. And these bulbs get quite hot when they're bringing all that power and their brightness in these days. So, all right there, that's the brains of the operation. The little board, some people call it a driver board, but that's the brains of the operation right there, that little chip right there. So, zip ties, some of the bulbs, some of the models are going to come with a little extra wire so you can be able to zip tie it out the way. It's all going to fit in the housing, but you may need to zip tie to keep it all nice, neat, and organized, okay? But check the quality out here. Look at that quality right there. That is a quality bulb right there. I mean, look at that. Now, all the stuff is plug and play. No slicing, no splitting, nothing like that. You order the model that you need and you plug it in. Now, if you're new to plugging up headlights, you got to make sure you line everything up right. All right, just 3 little prongs around that factory right there. You want to make sure you line everything up right so that it goes in perfect. And if you plug it in, it's not right, most likely you need to flip the plug around the other way because you might have plugged it in wrong. But this is just a quick little comparison from the old one versus the new one. Look at the old bulb that was stock that came with the vehicle versus that new one there. Now, here you go. Right side is the new one. Left side is the old one. Orange on the left. Nice, crispy, bright, bluish on the right. I apologize. Camera's not doing any justice because that bulb is actually just a tiny little bit of blueness. All right, everybody sees the new cars out there, the blueness. And the reason why I chose the older vehicle to do it on is because everyone knows you can get a nice, good, bright light on these newer vehicles. But I want to show you that even on a 2013 or older, you can get yourself a nice crispy light that can show bright and really is a key feature for safety, more or less. Now, these bulbs are putting out 8,000 lumens each, okay? So on the left side, it's 8,000 lumens. A lot of people not going to know what that is, but the higher the lumens, the more brightness the bulb is. So that's 8,000 on your right. And on your left is stock, which only puts out 3,000 lumens. All right, if you're in a rural area, the brighter the bulb, more safety you have, better the job, all right? These bulbs also claim to be 4-time brightener. Well, I'm looking right at it, looks like it definitely is 4-time brighter. So, enough of that. Let me show you the makes, the models they have. They got just about any year, make, model, trim, and then more or less, where do you want it? They make headlights, they make turn lights, they make reverse lights, they make the high, they make the low. They go all the way down to 92s, 93s, whatever model, make you want, they have what you need. You visit their website, you click on the make, click on the model, scroll down, let them know where you actually want the bulb, daytime running lights, dome lights, and boom. I put on 93 Honda Accord because I want to show you even with the older ones, they're still holding it. Everyone knows in this day and age, newer vehicles, people make plenty of parts for. But what about the people with the older vehicles? Here you go. Look at that. There's your make, there's your model, you pick which one you want. They ship it to your house, nice little box. You get all your instructions, you put it in, and you're on your way. As easy as that. Drop a comment at the bottom. Let me know what you think of these bulbs. Let me know if you're thinking about getting them, and I'll drop a link also. Don't just take my word. They got plenty more YouTube videos, Instagram, tweets, you name it. Email them directly, your choice. But drop a comment at the bottom. Let me know what you think of these bulbs. And if you have a set of good bulbs in your car, or if you think good bulbs are even a key factor of driving safe out here. All right, to the next one.